Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to cooking Japanese chicken curry. It's a very easy and delicious dish. Alright, this is about 1 pound of chicken and potato, carrot, brown sugar, cornstarch, and 1 cup of Japanese curry. You can get this from any local supermarket and any brand is fine. It's very easy to fire. And first of all, I have to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into the chicken. That will make the chicken a little bit tender. So make sure you mix the cornstarch with the chicken. Make sure you mix well. Use your chicken finger to mix with the chicken, something like that. Alright, there, that should be good. And now we'll heat up the pan. Add some oil into the pan. Okay, right now the pan's hot, so we put in the chicken. Make sure the chicken is sprayed into the pan evenly. Whoa. Because you need to let it sit for a minute too. So the bottom side of the chicken is going to be turned with a brownish, so make it a little bit tasty. Okay, now we can add some potato, carrot, and 1 cube curry, Japanese curry. And now we can add some water. Just like about, you don't need to add the water too much. That's you don't want to completely cover the chicken, just about the chicken. And we have to wait until the water is boiling. Make sure we stir it. So now we can add some 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can, if you don't like too sweet, you can leave without it. But my kid does not live a sweetness, so I add a tablespoon of sugar. Any kind of sugar is fine. All right, make sure to stir well. This dish is very easy and simple, so take about 10 minutes, I say. Chop some potato, carrot, and the carrot and the potato you just put in the boiled water to boil for 3 minutes. This is very easy. And some white rice. This curry always go with either brown rice, white rice, or any kind of rice. I'm hungry right now. My kids love this dish because I cook that at least once a week for them, because they always say, "Hey Daddy, I want some chicken curry." I said, "Oh, that's easy. I can make that for them." Alright, we just make sure the curry cover the chicken, the potato, the carrot, and up. And done. We can turn it off. I can turn off the stove. And time to serve. Alright, I have some white rice ready here. And I can pour over some chicken. Smells so good. Look at that. but my presentation is not that good, but it tastes good. It's really smell good. Hey kids, time to eat. Look at it. Japanese chicken curry. Very easy. Take about 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking channel. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next show. Thank you.